We're going to make a crock-pot apple pie bread pudding. We're going to start with a loaf of brioche bread that we tore into cubes. Go ahead and get that in your crock pot. Now shove it over into the side here, because what we're going to do is on this side we're going to put in our apple pie filling. We're going to use two 20-ounce cans of apple pie filling and dump it in there. And once you get all your filling in there, we're going to come over here to our mixing bowl and make our little mixture here. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of milk, 4 eggs, half a cup of sugar, half a stick of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Plop that in there. And then about a teaspoon worth of cinnamon, unless you are a cinnamon lover and want to do a little bit more. I did a little bit more because my wife likes the cinnamon. Oh yeah. You can go ahead and whisk that together. All right, once you got that nice and whisked together, we're going to take it, pour our liquid over the bread side of our crock pot here. And once you've poured that in, let's go ahead and start getting it all mixed together. You just want to make sure the bread has the liquid and everything mixed together, but do a gentle stir. You don't want it to break up too much. All right, and once you've given it a nice gentle stir, we're going to put our lid on. We're going to put it on high for 2 hours. All right, so after about 2 hours, we got some bread pudding, and as a final touch, I recommend adding a little caramel drizzle, caramel for some of you folks. I'm from South Carolina, so I say caramel. Caramel just sounds so bougie to me, but I don't know. How do y'all say it? Once you get your caramel on your bread pudding, it should look a little something like that, and it's ready to try. So, moment of truth. Let's see. That looks like a good spot right there. Look at that. Smells good too, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Get a little more. That smells really good. That's a good dessert, y'all.